Hi, Tim Reha live here, Digital Health Summit, Summer Summit 2013. Really excited. We just had a great panel called Deploying Digital Health on a Massive Scale. You might recognize Dave Roberts. He has a really fascinating background. He's a former VP of HIMSS and of Government Affairs for HIMSS, and he's now the San Diego Board of Advisors. How you doing?
I'm doing great. I'm actually on the County Board of Supervisors, and I'm the first new supervisor here in 18 years. And San Diego County is the 5th most populated county in the United States. Wow. So there's only 298 of us in the state of California.
Interesting. So you have a fascinating background. Why don't you tell me about your history?
Well, I started out working for a United States Senator 32 years ago, and he convinced me to go to private industry and get a job, and like many times I didn't listen, and I got a job with the U.S. Air Force. I've worked both in the Pentagon and overseas in Europe. I was Deputy Chief of Budget, U.S. Air Forces Europe. I then worked on the House Appropriations Committee and helped create the TRICARE military healthcare system. I was then hired by SAIC, and they moved me to San Diego 18 years ago, and I got involved in local government. I was a local council member and mayor. And then 5 months ago, I took office as the first new supervisor in 18 years.
That's awesome. Jill pulled you down for the event. What was happening inside with the panel?
Well, our panel was really focused on how we take innovative solutions on a massive scale. And one of the things that we are trying to do here in San Diego is create an environment. We have a large military presence, a large biotech presence, a large life science presence, but take all these different initiatives and really help grow jobs, improve the economy. So here in San Diego County, we have 3.2 million people, a very diverse population, but we've got a tremendous biotech industry and other industries that we're growing.
What are some of the really hot companies out here? What are you seeing that makes you excited?
Well, you know, I spoke on the panel with Humetrix, which has the iBlueButton initiative, which is a really exciting initiative. It's been promoted at the White House, but we have companies such as Science Applications International Corporation, Qualcomm, working on a lot of healthcare initiatives. We have Northrop Grumman, General Dynamics. So there's a lot of companies, large companies and small companies, and we're trying to help all companies really continue to grow, create these great jobs, and really be innovative. And so we try to help point out where the funding is that they can pursue, such as right now, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Service at the federal government are coming out with a new round of funding in the month of June. And I'm hoping that any company that has an innovative idea in health IT, digital health, will go and try to get their hands on those dollars. Last time, 10 of the grants went to the state companies in the state of California.
Nice, nice. What are you doing to push the envelope and help startups in the early stage space?
Well, here in San Diego County, we are actually partnering with local colleges and universities. We're doing forums with them. How can they go and figure out where the money is and how they can access that money to do innovative things? So we're working with Miracosta College. We do a lot of stuff with San Diego State, with UC San Diego, and University of San Diego. So just a lot of local initiatives that we're doing with the local educational areas to really go about doing this.
How would people find more information to connect with you?
Well, the easiest way is to go to my website, supervisordaveroberts.com, or you can follow me on Twitter, Dave Roberts SD. SD stands for San Diego.
Awesome, Dave. Well, hey, thanks so much for your time. And what's next for you?
Well, thank you very much. We've got a number of initiatives that we're so excited about here in San Diego. We're doing a mental health audit right now, but we've got a number of initiatives that we're working. I encourage everyone, take advantage of the opportunities that are going on in health and health IT right now. It's a phenomenal growing industry.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tim.